Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the vertex if you're given standard form. So the way that you do this is you're going to start by identifying your A, B, and C value. So in this example here, my A is 1, even though it's technically not written. My B is a negative 4. Don't forget to include this minus sign in front. And my C value is positive 1. So to find the vertex, I can start by finding the x value of my vertex by doing negative b divided by 2a. So if I look at my a, b, and c values, my b value is a negative 4, which means negative b would be a positive 4. And all of this is being divided by 2 times a. Well, my a value is 1, so 2 times a is 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. This means that the x value of my vertex is going to be a positive 2. Now I don't know what my y value is just yet, but I can find that by taking this 2 for x and plugging it in for x in my original equation. So if I do that, I have y equals x squared minus 4x plus 1. So I would say y equals 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 1. And if I simplify this, I will get my y value of my vertex. So 2 squared is 2 times 2, so that is 4, minus 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 1. So 4 minus 8 is negative 4, plus 1 is negative 3. So y equals negative 3. And this is my vertex. Now the same is going to apply for this equation, even though a is not 1 here. So again, start by identifying a, b, and c. A is equal to positive 2, b in this example is negative 4, and c is equal to positive 3. And again, to find the x value of this vertex, it's going to be negative b divided by 2a. So in this example, b is negative 4, so negative b is positive 4. And in this example, a is 2, so 2 times a would be 2 times 2, so that would be 4. And 4 divided by 4 is 1, so the x value of my vertex is a positive 1. And again, to find the y value, all you have to do is take that x value, substitute it in for x from your original equation, and that will give you y. So if I do that, I need to make sure that I'm applying my order of operations. So for this, I have to do 1 squared first, and then multiply it by 2. So 1 squared is 1 times 1, times 2 is 2. Minus 4 times 1, so that would be minus 4, and then plus 3. So y equals 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. So I know that the y value of my vertex is also positive 1. And for this last example, we have y equals 3x squared minus 12x minus 4. And again, the same rules apply. Start by identifying a, b, and c. So a is positive 3, b is negative 12, and c is negative 4. So to find the x value of this vertex, I do negative b divided by 2a. In this case, b is negative 12, so negative b would be positive 12. And 2 times a, and a is 3, so 2 times 3 is 6. 12 divided by 6 gives me positive 2. So I know that the x value of my vertex is going to be positive 2. Now to solve for the y value of this vertex, take that 2 and substitute it in for x in your original equation. So y equals 3 times 2 squared minus 12 times 2 minus 4. Again, don't forget to use your order of operations. So 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 12 times 2, which is 24, minus 4. So y is equal to 12 minus 24, which is negative 12, minus 4 gives us negative 16. So the y value of our vertex is negative 16.